Alright, here's your guys' help video on end behavior graphically. Help video on end behavior graphically. So they're gonna give you problems like this, you guys, and what you have to determine is the end behavior. So let's begin. So as you guys can see, they start with as x approaches infinity, which means as x is increasing or as x is moving along toward the right. So I just start anywhere, and as x approaches infinity or moving to the right, notice that it is increasing, right? Well, what is increasing? The y is increasing. So as x is going towards infinity, moving to the right, the y is increasing or moving up, or going towards positive infinity. So when you guys look at your options, we know y is approaching infinity because it's going up. So this one is good so far. This one is not good because look, that says y is approaching negative infinity. But we know as it's moving to the right, it's approaching positive infinity. So it can't be that choice. This one's still good. It cannot be that. So we're down to 2, right? We are down to 2 options. Now, let's look at what happens when x approaches negative infinity. So as x is approaching negative infinity, moving to the left, notice y is approaching negative infinity. As x approaches negative infinity, which means going to the left, y is going down, which is approaching negative infinity. So it can't be this one because that's approaching positive infinity. So that means it has to be this one. Because that's when, as x is approaching negative infinity, y is approaching negative infinity. Okay, let's look at another. Alright, we have this one, you guys, right? So, let's look what they give us. So, as x is approaching negative infinity, that's what it says, right? So, as it's going to the left, I'll just write this for you guys. As it's approaching negative infinity, which means going to the left. Now, everyone watch, right? It's going to the left. Negative infinity means going to the left. Y is approaching infinity. It is going up. So we can eliminate this one. That's approaching negative infinity. We're approaching this one. So we have these two, which is good. So it can't be your first option and it can't be your second option. It has to be one of those two. Now let's see the right side. Because, right, these are your right-hand sides. So, as x is approaching positive infinity, the y is going up, or it's approaching infinity. So which one of these is approaching positive infinity? This one, not this one. So that means your final answer would have been that one. It takes some getting used to, but that is how your guys' end behavior works.